I'm the CDL and training coordinator with Superior Beverage. Typical day of training is we start out with our pre-trip with the trucks.
Pre-trip is inspecting your truck, making sure everything's in the right place, all your fluids are at the right level, all your tires are good to go, and your truck's in good condition.
We come out and do maneuverability for a few hours, and we'll do some driving, until the guys are perfect. We teach our drivers how to get in and out of smaller parking lots, different size docks, in 3 or 4 different size trailers. Anywhere from 2 to 4 drivers at a time. That way we can equally teach everybody the best way we can, and everybody's got equal time. Anywhere from 5 to 8 weeks, usually depending on the size of the class, how well everybody obtains information and learns everything, and everything goes really smooth, we can do it pretty quick.
I'd recommend this job to anyone that wants to get involved in trucks, mostly because of the high quality of training that you get.
They treat you like family here, and also they pay for it all. It's just another opportunity you can't pass up. Great instructor, he's very humble and down to earth. I wouldn't want anyone else teaching me. He's amazing.